Maintaining a clean and well-manicured yard can be a challenging task, especially when dealing with overgrown grass, weeds, and thick brush. The SENIX high-wheel gas walk-behind brush cutter and string trimmer is a powerful and efficient tool designed to tackle these tough landscaping tasks with ease. With its robust engine, large cutting capacity, and ergonomic design, this trimmer is built for both homeowners and professionals looking for reliability and performance. Powerful engine for heavy-duty performance. One of the standout features of the SENIX Brush Cutter is its 160 cubic centimeters 4-cycle professional series engine. Unlike two-stroke engines, which require a mix of oil and gas, this 4-stroke engine runs purely on gasoline, making it more convenient and environmentally friendly with lower emissions and fuel consumption. It provides ample power to slice through thick grass, weeds, and even small brush, ensuring that your yard maintenance is both quick and effective. Customers have praised the power of this machine, with some stating that it runs like a scalded pig and cuts like a samurai, highlighting its impressive cutting ability. Large cutting capacity for maximum efficiency. With a 22-inch cutting swath and 0.155-inch thick trimmer line, this tool covers a large area in a short time. Whether you're trimming around a fence line, outbuildings, or a pond dam, the wide cutting path ensures efficiency and reduces the time needed to complete the job. Many users have commented on how well it handles tall grass and thick weeds, making it an ideal choice for those with large properties or challenging terrains. Superior maneuverability and height adjustments. The 14-inch durable rubber wheels allow the trimmer to move smoothly over rough and uneven surfaces. Unlike handheld string trimmers, which can be difficult to control and strain the user's arms, the walk-behind design of this unit provides better balance and maneuverability. Additionally, the 5-position height adjustment lever offers customizable cutting heights ranging from 1.57 inches to 3 inches, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred grass length based on the terrain and personal preferences. Comfortable and user-friendly design. One of the biggest advantages of the SENIX Brush Cutter is its ergonomic handle, designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. Even for individuals with limited strength or mobility, this machine is relatively easy to operate. One customer, who identified as fairly disabled, mentioned that they were pleasantly surprised by how manageable the machine felt, emphasizing its user-friendly nature. Furthermore, the fold-down handle makes storage hassle-free, especially for those with limited space in their garage or shed. Durability and minor issues. While the SENIX Brush Cutter is widely praised for its durability and performance, a few customers have reported minor issues, such as parts falling off and oil leaks. However, these seem to be isolated cases rather than widespread concerns. One reviewer mentioned that they encountered minor damage during shipping but were highly impressed with SENIX's top-notch customer service, which resolved the issue quickly and at no extra cost. The fact that this tool comes with a 3-year limited warranty also adds peace of mind, ensuring that customers are protected against manufacturing defects. Ease of assembly and starting. Setting up this machine is relatively straightforward. Most users reported that assembly took around 30 minutes, with clear and easy-to-follow instructions. The package even includes engine oil and a 20-inch trimmer line, which means you only need to add gasoline before getting started. Many reviewers appreciated that the machine started up effortlessly on the first pull, a feature that is often a major concern with gas-powered tools. Price and value for money. At a current price of $349, the SENIX high-wheel gas walk-behind brush cutter and string trimmer offers excellent value for money. It delivers strong cutting performance, durability, and user-friendly operation, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners and professionals alike. Given the 4.2 out of 5-star rating based on 114 global reviews, it is clear that most users find it to be a highly capable and reliable machine. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? If you are looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use string trimmer that can handle thick weeds, overgrown grass, and challenging terrains, the SENIX high-wheel gas walk-behind brush cutter and string trimmer is a solid choice. It combines a high-performance engine, wide cutting capacity, smooth maneuverability, and ergonomic design, making yard work less strenuous and more efficient. While there are minor reports of parts loosening or oil leaks, the overall user satisfaction is high and customer service is responsive and helpful. For those in need of a heavy-duty yard maintenance tool, this trimmer is highly recommended. Be sure to check out the link in our video description for additional discounts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and updates.